Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla, so this video is very important for you because of Tesla are introducing couple of days ago latest updated software 2024.14.x. This software are change your screen and Tesla features totally change. After installation, how to access and what is the new, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So this is my Tesla Model 3. I will show you latest update and new feature. So look at this. I just simply open, and if you look the screen, so look at this. Earliest update version are not showing such kind of screen. If you press here in the map and then look at this, the map is coming. If you playing like this, if you drive like this, so you can use your entire screen like this. So that is the beauty of latest update, and even during the driving time I will show you which types of features they are generating. Free screen.
How?
So look at this guys, this is a new feature of Tesla introducing just only 2 days ago, and yesterday I update these features and currently I am driving. So if I use indicator sign, so look at this, the screen it change. If I use another one, that one is really interesting. If you use like a full, if you use like a old like this, and if you want to use full screen, so this feature is coming here. Even continuously here the map is going on, and then your direction also showing here. So this is the latest update of Tesla features. That feature is really interesting. So if you are not updating, you should update and enjoy this feature. Hope you like this video. Bas. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.